Hi everyone, welcome. Today we're tackling a very common question. How often should you water your indoor palm? It's easy to over or underwater these beauties, so let's dive in and get it right. Watering palms isn't an exact science, as many factors influence frequency, but there are some reliable guidelines. The most crucial thing is understanding your specific palm's needs and observing its behavior. One important factor is the type of palm you have. Different palms have different water requirements. For example, a Majesty palm loves consistently moist soil, while a Sago palm prefers to dry out a bit between waterings. So, do some research on your specific palm species. Another factor is the pot size and material. Plants in smaller pots will dry out faster. Terracotta pots are porous and allow for faster evaporation, meaning you'll water more frequently than if your palm is in a plastic pot. Also, consider the time of year. During the active growing season, spring and summer, your palm will need more water than during the dormant season, fall and winter. The environment also affects watering frequency. Palms kept in bright, sunny locations will require more frequent watering than those in lower light conditions. Similarly, if your home has low humidity, the soil will dry out more quickly. To determine when to water, use the finger test. Stick your finger about 2 inches into the soil. If the soil feels dry to the touch, it's time to water. If it feels moist, hold off for a few days and check again. Avoid letting the soil dry out completely, as this can stress the plant. When you do water, water thoroughly. Water deeply until you see water draining from the drainage holes at the bottom of the pot. This ensures that the entire root ball is moistened. Make sure you discard any excess water that accumulates in the saucer beneath the pot. Palms don't like sitting in soggy soil, as this can lead to root rot. Root rot is a serious issue that can eventually kill your palm. Signs of overwatering include yellowing leaves, brown tips, and a musty smell coming from the soil. Underwatering, on the other hand, can cause browning leaf tips and edges, drooping leaves, and slow growth. Adjust your watering schedule based on your palm's needs. If you see signs of over or underwatering, make changes to your routine. Remember, observation is key. Pay attention to your palm, and it will tell you what it needs. You'll be able to see how it responds to your care. If you notice it seems consistently droopy, you may try watering a bit more or adjusting the humidity. If you spot browning or yellowing, then perhaps cut back on watering. With a little practice, you'll become a palm watering pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you understand how often to water your indoor palm. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more plant care tips. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what other plant questions you have. Happy